Dear students, I will show you here how to work with FileZilla, which is used for transferring the files from local system to the server. And this is what the program, and in this program you must provide the host name. You have to type the host name. I think all of you would have downloaded this FileZilla and installed in your laptop, and this is the host name, it.nct.edu.home. you must type this, and then username and password. I'll give you the username and password so that you'll be using hereafter those username and passwords. Group 10 7355, so you can use this group 10, and the password is 7355, and just leave the port, then click quick connect. So once you have done it, you can see here the message home students group 10 successful, meaning you are connected. Suppose you transfer some files or something, then every time don't forget to refresh. So once you refresh it, the things will be refreshed and the connectivity will be established again. It will be showing you whatever the updates you have done or uploaded or downloaded any files from these things. Now look at, there are two main windows. This is the local site, meaning your laptop or your computer from where you want to transfer the files, and remote site meaning our college server. And in this college server, this is the public_html folder we are talking about. Open that folder, click open it, and you can find so many people already have pushed over the things. Now you can transfer whatever the file you want to keep inside the public_html, even your PHP file or whatever. Like in your PHP MySQL projects, what you have done it in your local server, local Apache server, and then develop everything in your laptop. But here we'll be using our MySQL PHP in a separate server, remote server, and you will be using the mobile as the client. So app inventor is the client logic you will be writing there, and whatever you push here, everything you can easily call them and make it available in your application. Suppose I am transferring my folder. I have a folder, and this picture folder I want to transfer them. Just open it up, click that this thing, then you can find all the folders are available here. I want pictures, then my pictures, where is it? SVS money pictures, I can say, yeah, this is the one. So I have a folder with SVS money, so I have pictures here. This folder I want to transfer everything. Okay, now I will transfer this. Just drag and drop. You can see here all the files are copied here. Now inside public_html you can find this folder of files is got transferred, and all of them are PNGs. Now go to the app inventor, and in the app inventor open up a new project. In the project we want to do a presentation with all these pictures. So just look here in this screen, only just set this property like the title, visibility, uncheck that title visibility and use a clock timing folder. Then the time interval set to 100 so that it will be very fast, and then go to the blocks. In the blocks, this is very important. Have a variable called URL. Suppose you are going to use more folders, different folders, then you will be using different URLs, or even just one URL with different folder approaches. You have to join perfectly there. But I have just one folder here. That's why, what's the name of the folder I transferred? You have to see, sorry, from the FileZilla. Just look, it is just SVS Money Flowers. You can find, this is the name of the folder. So http://it.nct.edu.om tilde group 3, I mean here it is group 10, because we are using group 10 now, and inside group 10 you can find SVS Money Flowers folder, and inside that folder there are files. I want to call those files in my area, so it's named as G1, G2, G3 until G9. So I have these names, G1, G2, G3 until G9. Okay, now I say I is 1. After that I will be joining this URL, because you see one here, how you will be referring to that particular file. You will say g1.jpg or png, g1.png. So for that reason I am joining screen1.background image to be URL. Okay, then here first G, the letter G, it is just okay, and G1, 2, 3. So the variable I will give you 1 first. So G1 dot, it is PNG, it's not JPG, so PNG. And then clock 1, timer enabled is true. Okay, now I am checking here. So I have I think now 9 images. So altogether, when it is less than, you have to say 9, then do these things. If it is greater than or equal to 9, I want to do this presentation again and again, where then you will be doing like, so if the I variable value is 9, why? Because G1, G2, G3, G4, you can see here. Just look, these are all the files here. So it's different. Yeah, I have now 1, 2, 3, 4, not G1, I'm sorry. So I have SVS Money Flowers here, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. All of them are 1, 2, 3, 4 until 10, so the same thing. If it is PNG, you must use PNG. If it is JPG, you must use JPG. So like that. Now, so there is no such G. I can say this one is no need. Put it over there and remove this. That's it. And this is JPG still. JPG. And here 10, because there are 10 images. If your I is less than 10, then what you do, the background image, so your URL, then 12.jpg, this will be 1.jpg because still 1, and here I is I plus 1, so it will be 2.jpg. Is this 2 less than 10? Yes, true. So display 2.jpg, then 3.jpg, 4.jpg, and so on. Once it comes to 10, 10 is less than 10, false. So naturally it goes back after 10. Else part. In the else part, what we do, we want to do the presentation again and again. So it is like infinite loop. It will never stop unless otherwise you forcefully press the exit. So here again I am initializing I to 1. Is this I less than 10? And always I am not stopping the timer. So here timer enabled, I never made it false. So when you are not making it false, this will be continuously firing up, and all the actions whatever you made here, it will be go on working. That's what you are doing. Also here, as per this condition, when you are initializing I to 1, meaning you are making it to form an infinite loop. So that's the reason. Let's go on. Now you see I'm in connectivity. We will make the connection as the emulator. I will run. It's okay. So first you must run here. Just a moment. Yeah, I started. So now I can make the emulator to connect. What you are seeing is the emulator which will be running. Sometimes emulator, according to the system's speed and net speed, it differs. That's why we don't prefer. If you directly connect with your mobile, you can see the effect of it, but I couldn't show you the mobile's this thing because I don't have web camera here. Otherwise I would have shown how it is really running with your mobile, but you can do it. You have seen now. You are going to see here in the emulator how fast it will be. Continuously it will be displaying. Just look now. So it's a very simple application. All your stuff, whatever, the pictures or even video, the same way. Even all your MP3 files in the similar manner. You must place all your things, like name your folder with your ID better, because so that unexpectedly or unintentionally somebody may be deleted or something. To avoid that loss of data, better to provide the folder name must be your ID, and then all the stuff you collect inside. And this is the way you must make the reference for your files, and this is the URL. Okay. So this is in the college server how you can effectively use it. Even the video, it's better. So it will avoid, you can see here the advantage of that. It will avoid here, I'm not pushing any media. So when you are pushing any media, what will happen? Your size of the application will unnecessarily it will increase. So there is a maximum limit for the application. So this will be completely avoided by using this kind of features. Okay. I hope you understand how to work with the FileZilla and these things. Please at home try doing it similar manner. Hopefully you will do it. Wish you good luck.